Hello everyone, Teacher Jonas here, and today I will teach you a new topic. Last class, as you remember, we learned about multiplication and multiplication word problems. Today we are going to learn about division, okay? But don't worry, I'm gonna only teach you the basics, okay? The basics of division. Alright, so some of you may not know what is division, but it's okay. I'm going to show you. Before we get to what division is and how to do it, let's say the word correctly together, okay? Division has 3 syllables. Division. Division, okay? So repeat after me. Division. Division. One more time. Division. Division. Okay? Now, when you say "gen," it's not "shan." Okay? It's not division or division. Okay? It's division. Division. Alright, let's look at this one. Division. Division. Together. Division. Division. And lastly, repeat after me. Division. Division. Okay. Teacher, division. What does it mean, teacher? I'm going to tell you. But before that, let's learn symbols of division. Division has multiple symbols that mean the same thing. This, and this are all the same thing. They all mean divided by. Divided by. So when you see this is divided by. When you see this, also divided by. When you see this, and there is a number on the top, for example, 10. And then here, 10 also. This is also division, okay? This is all about division. The whole topic here is about division. And this are called divided by. Divided by. Okay. Now, as you know, very easy, this is called equals. Equals. Now, we're going to talk about this more later, okay? So, what is division? Division is splitting into equal parts or groups. Now, what does that mean? Split means cutting, okay? Division is all about cutting into the equal groups that you can, different parts. Let's say I have 10 apples, okay? Now, if I want to divide them into equal groups, I can make 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay? Or I can say 5, 5. You see, these are equal groups. I can also say 3, 3, 3, 1, but they're not equal groups. Or I can say 5, 2, 1, 1. Not equal groups. Division is about equal groups. Now you may be wondering, teacher, I still don't understand. It's okay. Teacher Jonas is here to help you. Okay? But one word you must understand is divide. Divide. So one more time, let's read this together. Division is splitting into equal parts or groups. Now let's see what it means. As you remember, division is splitting into equal parts of groups. So let's start with an example. There are 12 chocolates, yummy yummy, and 3 friends want to share them. So there are 3 friends here and they want to eat 12 chocolates. How do they divide the chocolates? So obviously you cannot give all the chocolates to one friend, or you cannot give all the chocolates to 2 friends. There are 3 friends and they want equal amounts. So we have to divide it by 3, right? So we have to do this. See, 4, 4, 4. So all the 3 friends get the equal groups of chocolates. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. So they get 4 each. Now, let me write this down in math language. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Repeat after me, okay? 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Now, as I told you, this is the same thing. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. See, this is also divided by. This one is also divided by, but it has other names, okay? You will learn about it in other topics. Maybe you will learn about it in Bratom 4, okay? But I'm not going to teach you about this. I'm going to teach you mostly about division, okay? So, now you understand what division is. It's splitting into equal groups. So, before we go further, we need to understand and know the names of division parts, okay? So, the main number, which is the biggest number, okay, it's called dividend. Dividend, okay? We have a dividend here. D-I-V-I-D-E-N-D, dividend. Now, as I said, dividend is usually the biggest number in the equation, okay? So 18 is our dividend. In the last example, remember 12 chocolates? 12 was our dividend. Next is the divisor. Divisor. Divisor is this one. Remember the 3 friends? The 3 friends, 3 was the divisor. You divide the dividend by the divisor. Okay, so dividend divided by divisor equals to the answer is called quotient. 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 So the quotient in this equation is 6. Quotient. So 18 divided by 3 equals 6. Which number is our dividend? 18. Which number is our divisor? 3. Which number is our quotient? 6. Very good. Okay, try to remember them. Dividend, divisor, quotient. Dividend, divisor, quotient. Okay? Try to make a song in your head and remember them. So, let's look at this example. As I said, division is about splitting into equal groups. Now, some numbers can have many divisors. For example, 12 can have the divisor can have 1 as divisor. 12 divided by 1 equals to 12. Okay? Now look at this one. Our dividend stays the same, okay? Let's say 12. Now we can have different divisors. 2. So 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Look at this one. 12 divided by 3. Our divisor changed from 2 to 3. So 12 divided by 3 equals 4. You see, equal groups. Equal groups. 4, 4, 4. Next. 12 divided by 4. I changed the divisor again. The answer is 3. So it's 3, 3, 3, and 3. How many groups? 4. Because the divisor is 4. The divisor shows you how many groups or parts there are going to be. So 12 divided by 6. The answer is 2. So our divisor is 6. The quotient is 2. Okay. Let's look at another example. 36. 36 can have many divisors. 1 can be a divisor too. every number has 1 and that number itself as its divisor. So let's say 36 has 1 as its divisor. Also, 36 has 36 as its divisor. 36 divided by 36 equals to 1. Now, let's look at this picture. 36 divided by 2 equals to 18. So 18, 18, right? We have these many marbles. We change it. Divided by 3, 12. So remember, divisor is the number of groups. Quotient is the number in each group. 12, 12, 12. Divided by 4. 9, 9, 9, 9. Divided by 6. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. So now you understand what it means when you say divide a number, okay? But it's not always perfect equal groups. Remember I said division is about splitting into equal groups? Sometimes you cannot do it, but it's okay. There is a solution. Look at this example. Imagine it in your head. There are 7 bones, like snack, ahan, to share with 2 puppies. So you have 7 snacks, you have 2 puppies. But 7 cannot be divided exactly into 2 groups. So each pup gets 3 bones, but there will be 1 left over. Look at here. Here's an example, right? 2 puppies, 7 bones, 3 for this one, 3 for this one, but there will be 1 left. We call the leftover in division as remainder. Remainder. Repeat after me. Remainder. Okay, so 7 divided by 2 equals to 3 with 1 remainder. R1. R means remainder. So you say R1, which means 1 remainder. Okay? Let's do more examples, okay? You have 9 cookies. They look yummy. So you have 9 cookies. You want to divide these cookies equally among 2 people. So you have 2 friends. You want to give them equal amount of cookies, right? Can you do it? Let's do it together. So, 1 group, 4, 1 group, 4, 8. But there is 1 left over. What do we call the leftover? We call it the remainder. Remainder. So we have 1 remainder, or R1. So, let's show the division. 9 divided by 2 equals to 4 with 1 left over. But you have to write like this. 9 divided by 2 equals to 4R1. It means 1 remainder. Good job so far. You are doing great. Okay? Now, always put a little space between the quotient and the remainder. Okay? Don't put it all together. It's not going to be beautiful. So, let's do this one together. 14 divided by 4. Can you do it? Let's see. We have 14, right? 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups. They're all 3, right? 3, 3, 3. But this one, there's only 2. So we have a remainder of 2, right? So it's R2, right? So the full answer is 14 divided by 4 equals to 3. See? 3. R2, because we have 2 remainders. So one more time. 14 divided by 4. 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. How many in each group? 3. How many remainders are 2? Good job so far. Let's see what's next. 23 divided by 5. What is it? Now, let's try a different way to do this one. As you know, division is very similar to subtraction. So let's see. 23 divided by 5, right? So let's say 23 minus 5, 18. Minus 5, 13. Minus 5, 8. Minus 5, 3. Can you do minus 5 again? You can't. So how many times do you do minus 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the quotient is 4. How many left? 3. So 3 is our remainder. So the answer is 4 as our quotient are 3. So one more time, 23 divided by 5 equals to 4 or 3. Or we can say 4 with the remainder of 3. Okay? So, remember, this is our dividend. Very good. This is our divisor. This is our quotient, like this. And this one is our remainder. Okay? So dividend, divisor, quotient, and remainder. I hope you understood what I taught you today. If you have any questions, you can message me in line. Tell me, teacher, I don't understand this part. Okay? And I will teach you again. Alright? So, there is a worksheet for you to do online in Google Form. When you're finished, don't forget to take a screenshot of your score. Alright, until next time. Bye-bye! Teacher, join us out! Woo! Bye-bye!